I've seen on billboards and bus stops and on the radio these big attorney firms advertising. So what would be the benefit of going with them or going with you versus a big firm?
Some of the larger firms, when you meet with the first attorney, it's likely that that attorney won't even be the one that goes to court with you. And you may meet the attorney for the very first time that's going to handle your case in the courtroom. So he or she will have some notes and from your initial consultation, but there will be no rapport that's built up. There will be no understanding that was built up. There's no way for you to build any sense of trust in the person if you've just met them. When you work with me, you work with me. I'm the person who will pick up the phone when you first call the website from the website. I'm the person who will pick up the phone when you call my cell phone when I give it to you to ask a question. I'm the person that will go to court with you when your case is in court. I'm the person who's going to speak to the prosecutor and to the judge. And I'm the person who's going to relay the information to you while the case is going on. One of the most important things I find in getting to know my clients is there's really two facets. One is they get an idea of how it is that I communicate, and I spend a great deal of time educating my clients as to what they need to know in resolving their case. The other thing is I get to understand the way you communicate. Believe me, I studied this in university. People communicate differently. And one of the key things is building a rapport. I spend the time to do that with my clients from the beginning, free consultation, to the end when the case is resolved.
All right, Carl. So where do you tend to get your clients from? Where do they come on your website, or how do you find these people?
I get a great deal of my clients from my former clients. One of the greatest sources of clients really come from people who I've represented before, who refer me to their family and friends, colleagues at work, um, and that's a high compliment because that's basically saying that I represented them and they're recommending my services because I was able to not only do a good job but also make them feel comfortable enough to say, hey, this guy, he's good to work with. So quite a bit of my new cases come from my old cases, my old clients. Um, Now I practice in New Jersey and New York, and I know lawyers in both New Jersey and New York. Having been a prosecutor in Bronx County, New York, I know a lot of attorneys there. Having practiced as a criminal defense attorney in New York for over 25 years, I know a lot of attorneys there. Having been a municipal prosecutor in Bergen County and Fair Lawn, New Jersey, I know a lot of criminal defense attorneys in New Jersey. And having practiced a lot for over 25 years in New Jersey as well, I know a lot of attorneys. So going back and forth between the two states, there's a lot of attorneys that aren't admitted in the other state. So you might have a New Jersey attorney that refer me a New York case, a New York attorney that refer me a New Jersey case,
Hmm.
and that's also high praise because they're saying to themselves, I could choose from many attorneys, but Carl's the one I want to refer my source of income, my source of clientele from, and I'm going to trust Carl to refer this client to. So I get quite a bit of clients from other attorneys, especially people that I've worked with or I was an adversary against. You get to prove yourself, I guess, when you work against people on cases, on tough cases. Of course, in the age of the internet, which we are in, I get quite a few cases from the internet, which is one of the reasons I wanted to put together this series of videos to let you know a little bit more about me, and not just another website for another attorney, which there are many. So take some time to look through the website and get to know me a little better. Give me a call.